JSO and help get some wanted criminals off the streets. No captures today, but the man that we're focusing on and have the spotlight on right now, he knows he's wanted.
Absolutely. His name is Joshua Johnson Bellamy. He's wanted for burglary. He's 5 feet 11 inches tall, 160 pounds, and 25 years old. Last known address is 1214 LaBelle Street in the 32209 zip code. Like you said, he knows he's wanted, but he's also committing the burglaries exactly where he lives. He's breaking into apartments, taking TVs and video game systems, so he doesn't go far from home. So anyone who knows the whereabouts of Joshua, please call police.
All right, we're spinning the wheel. And remember, if you see any of these suspects, know of their whereabouts, don't confront them. That's the job of police. Get in touch with them. We'll give you a number coming up. All right, looks like the wheel is going to land on Mr. Johnson there.
Mr. Johnson, Roderick Dwight Johnson, he's wanted for domestic battery, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 215 pounds, 43 years old, 5201 Atlantic Boulevard in the 32207 zip code is his last known address. No bond. He got into an altercation with a woman. She sustained multiple injuries to her face. So anyone who knows his whereabouts, please contact police.
All these faces will be on the Wheel of Justice later today. Meantime, if you see anybody, call Crime Stoppers 866-845-TIPS. Thanks, Melissa.
Thank you.